beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this look right here using affordable products. If you guys want to know how to create this look, then continue watching. I've already hauled this like I don't know how long ago and I haven't played around with it yet, so I thought, you know what, let's play with it today, play with some makeup, and let's just do like a get ready with me and all that fun stuff. First, it's primer lids. I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Infallible. I'm already running low on this one. I'm like so excited about that because once I finish a makeup product, I'm like, oh my god, yes, like you put that baby to work. I'm just gonna go in with my chisel brush. I can't find the one I normally do it, so I'm gonna go in with Work It, and I'm just going to just, oh, that's pretty. Apply that in my crease. I'm just going to blend that. Just, ooh, that is gorgeous. It's going to blend. Oh, that's pretty. I like how that color looks. I'm gonna make sure it's like well blended all right here. And that's not a cold sore or anything. I smile too big and my freaking dried lips cracked. So now I'm gonna go in with this one right here. This is ICYMI. I don't know what the heck that means. Going with Makeup Shack T82. There's like so many colors I want to use because it's just like right up my freaking alley. And I'm just going to focus the shade just right in my crease. Just like that. That's pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with Catch Me, that shade right here, and I am going to use a Makeup Shack T48, and I'm just going to apply some right underneath. Bring it down. And I love that the shade is like a peachy tone and it's not like a white, you know, especially for this palette, so it works perfectly. Then I'm gonna go in with this shade and I'm gonna mix a little bit with Work It and just blend that right underneath. It doesn't say above, but right underneath here. I am gonna go in with some tape. I'm gonna go back in with that concealer and a Makeup Shack T37, and we're going to just carve out this crease. So I'm going to lay down side to side first, which is this one right here, and just lay that one down first. Even that just looks pretty by itself, like, ooh. Then I'm going to go in and pick up Prima Drama. And this is the glitter. I love their glitter, so I'm excited for this. And I'm just going to just apply that directly on top. So I'm gonna go in with West Side with the Makeup Shack T45, and I'm just going to apply this just over this right here in the center, because we're gonna go in with a darker shade, but I want to gradually build that darker shade up. Now I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Shack T82, and I'm going to pick up Feel Free. I already know I'm going to be obsessed with the shade. Don't you just like ever randomly feel like your phone vibrating, like your butt jiggle, but it's nothing? So I'm just going to just blend that in right here. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with this long ass name, ICYMI. If you guys know what that is, let me know, please, because that is long. And I'm just going to just add that right here very lightly. I'm just going to add a little bit more of that Feel Free. I want a really pretty brown liner. One moment. I've been trying to find to see if this company is still open, but this is the Makeup Monster's liquid lipstick. I'm going with the Lavish liner, and I'm going to wing it out. Ooh, look how nice that brown liner looks. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. I think I really like this palette. It's so freaking nice. All right, now let's go in with some mascara. Just to coat. You guys already know this is one of my faves. So I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl. And I'm just going to coat, 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 coat. So I'm gonna go in with Fame Lashes and Celebrity. So here are the lashes. If you hear Jade fighting, it's because Andrew's like pushing her buttons. All right, so since we're using Colourpop products, I do want to go in with this sponge, this one, because I'm using all the sponges, and then when I'm done using all of them, see, I'll cochina, I put them back in here dirty. I want to give you guys like a full breakdown, like how this one worked, all that. So this is the full Beat the Blending Sponge Kit. So this one is the Complexion sponge. So here it is up close before I go and wet it. I like that it, like, you can just like sit it down and it just goes pew. So here it is before I go wet it. And here it is wet. So it did get pretty big. So I'm excited. Oh, come on down. I know. Jade's poop just like literally smacked me in my freaking face. Let's go in with the Wet n Wild Prime Serum. This stuff I like. Ooh. It's really good. It reminds me a lot of this one as well, the Rose Prime. I wonder if they're the same. I don't know. This one doesn't have the, I don't know. I wonder if they are the same, because I like them both. So I don't know. I don't know. Oh, so I'm gonna rub this in, hydrate my skin. So I'm gonna go in with my Colourpop No Filter foundation, and I'm in the shade Medium Dark 115. Don't get in my makeup. I can see that this Bella wants to like get in my makeup. We're gonna use a sponge. I'm just going to blend this in. Already you can see that it's already gonna dry matte. So I don't like how this foundation looks around my mouth area, so I'm going to try not to add a lot around that area. Blend this in and try not to add too much around here. I'm just gonna add concealer around there. I do like the sponge so far though. The sponge is really nice. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid. Yeah, hyaluronic acid. I don't know why this sounded so weird. And I'm in shade 90W. I'm just going to apply this right underneath, kind of bringing it up right here so you can kind of clean up that concealer right there. And I'm gonna add a little bit down to my nose. And then I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and this is in Deep Dark 54. And I'm just going to add just a little because this stuff is pigmented. Get okay. And then I'm gonna go to town and blend and blend and blend and blend and blend. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Airspun and set my under eye. And then right here, especially because how it separates sometimes. That was a little bit too much. Okay, I'm just going to just grab that powder and just kind of just work it in everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna go with my L'Oreal True Match. This is in W8. If you guys have Colourpop bronzing shade and we are twinsies on foundation and all that good stuff, can you please leave it down below, because I will be making an order to Colourpop and I want to get some new products to try out. So if we are the same shade in foundation, please let me know which one you like to use to bronze. I do want to go in with the powder again, and I'm going to use the slanted side right here to clean up my right here. It just goes on so good too. Just so far I like that one, no complaints on that one. All right, let's go into our under eye. I do want to go in with a nude pencil. I'm using the Morphe This is to lighten underneath your brow. This is Oh Baby Brow. I'm just going to use that just to white out my waterline so it looks like doll-like. Then we're gonna go back in with the palette. I'm really obsessed with this palette. I really like how everything just like blended in. Everything just looks so nice. So I'm going to go in with ICMI. I'm just going to just add that right underneath using a Makeup Shack pencil brush. I'm gonna go in with another pencil brush and I will be picking up Feel Free. This is so pretty. And I'm just going to focus that a little bit closer to the lash line, the bottom lash line. Okay, I'm just going to remove the powder. I'm gonna go in with my Other Girl setting spray. And I'm just going to soak up all that powder I had laid down. Going in with mascara using the LA Girl. And I'm going to pick up Melody. And I'm using an eye shading brush from Lash. I'm just gonna put that right there. And there's that. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with Colourpop. This is Quarters. You guys know this is my favorite ever. All right, now for highlight, I am gonna go in with the Colourpop Wisp, super chic. And I'm gonna go in with just a blending brush. I'm just going to just lightly highlight right there. I really like that pop of color right there. It's just like it really just looks like it's glowing, you know. Let me double check to see if this is not discontinued, because I just found out they discontinued freaking Fract from Colourpop, and that is like one of my favorites. Oh, okay. I was like, Beeper too? Okay. So we are going to go in with, you guys are ready now, the Colourpop BFF2. I'm obsessed with BFF2 and BFF3. Those are like my top favorites. What the heck? I'm gonna go with BFF3. También, I think it's because like how I pull it out. Yeah, that's what he said. But I think for like the force that I use, it pulls it too much. Oh, it's a crooked ass butt cheek. That's okay. And I think Beeper will be perfect with it. Okay, so now we're gonna go with the Colourpop Beeper. Ooh, it fit it perfectly. Alrighty, love. So here is the finished look. I freaking love it. I'm so glad I decided to play with this palette today. I'm really impressed with it. I feel like I'm in love. This is going to be one of my top favorites from Colourpop, just because it is so freaking, it is freaking gorgeous. Like when I purchased it from Ulta, I should have played with it that same day, but it took me a minute. But it, oh, look at it, look how pretty it is. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this affordable makeup tutorial. Let me know if you guys would like me to do more of these. Leave your suggestions down below. I would love to know. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.